Hello everyone, guys. In last video, I have created one playlist of OOPS concept, and that OOPS concept is too important for us, even if you are fresher, intermediate, and experienced level as well. In that video, already have explained what all those important pillar in OOPS, that is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation, right? A part of that, also some important few concepts are there. What is class, what is object, what is method. So guys, in this video I am going to explain what is class and why it is important for us. What will happen if we cannot use the class, right? So guys, all the point I will explain here guys. So guys, please be concerned, it's very important for us, even if you are fresher, intermediate, and experienced level as well. Guys, see, a class is a blueprint or template for declaring and creating the object in Java. That first point guys, please be concentrated. If you don't know till now, you need to understand this thing. So a class is a blueprint or template which is used to declare and create the object, right? Yes, I hope you understood. Then guys, see, so this class guy defines, so it defines the properties means attribute and behavior means method, that object created from the class. Correct guy? Yes. Then guys, see, let's understand with some example. Suppose if class is a person guy, so every person have get some attribute means some properties like that name, age, gender, occupation. Corresponding guy, definitely the person should have some activity, right? So work, eat, sleep, work. Same guy, if you will take some other example, just like an employee. Suppose employee is a class guy, so definitely the attribute of employee will be employee name, employee ID, employee address, employee mail, employee salary, and guy how they perform some tasks. So employee performs some guy tasks. So he's developing some task guy, he's testing some task, he's deployment some task. Yes or no guy? So these are the functionalities done by the what employee. Same guy, suppose you can see one animal guy. Animal is a class, but animal name, animal color, animal height, and what animal doing activity guy, that is functionality. That means animal is what. Suppose if you take dog, so animal is barking, right? Animal is eating. So these are the functionality guy. So you can say this is the guy class. So class is a blueprint or template for declaring the and creating the object guy, nothing else. So guy, I hope you understood. Even if you have any confusion, please let me know guy. I will what explain in other way so you can understand very easily guy. Thank you guy. Bye bye. We'll meet soon next video with object concept. Thank you guy. Bye bye.